Hey guys, it's been a while since I've done a windy day video, and the wind's actually blowing some today, as you can see. So I figured I'd record it. Oh yeah, the Westminster's going crazy. Woo! Okay, for once, oh my god, you guys will not believe this. For once I'm actually getting my way. That's the strongest gust we've had all day, I think. And I was finally able to catch the strongest gust of the day on camera. And you guys know how it normally calms down and I don't get anything. So this is just, that was great right there. I finally got my way for once. There's a gray cat. Well, it just flew. It was a gray catbird. Ah, not again. I'm gonna have to fix that. Come out again. What the heck is going on here? The string on this is looking kind of like, you see how the string looks loose on one end? Hang on a minute. There we go. I fixed it. It had just gotten tangled up. But it's fixed now. We're definitely not having our usual wind patterns today. I think the wind's coming from like over that way somewhere. Yeah, see? Oh, the Westminster again. I think it's getting the most wind today. See? Yeah, we're definitely not, the flag's blowing that way. Yeah, we're definitely not getting the normal wind direction. Hey, for once the tubes are where they should be. Just about, like literally almost every tube is perfectly in center. Great, I love that. Oh man, this one's kind of looking rough. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to take this one in during the winter. You can hear the Westminster going nuts from here. These cheap ones are literally swallowed by leaves. I swear, like they can't eat, they can barely ring at all. See, like those back in there, the leaves are like all over them. And of course, now that I'm recording, it does calm down. I should have known it wouldn't last long. But at least I got that big gust at the beginning. That was really good with the Westminster. Oh, I think there's a gust coming. Yeah, there is. Oh, yep. There goes the Westminster. Let's see how the chimes of. Let's see how the bells of paradise is going. Even it's not blowing as much as the Westminster. It's blowing a little bit more now. Oh wait, it's blowing a little more. Yeah, the Westminster is definitely getting the most wind today. I still hope to get at least the soprano, alto, and tenor Gregorian chimes to go with this one, the baritone, because I think the little one's too high pitched, I think, but the other four are like really good sounding, I think. Look how that bush is blowing. Oh, here comes a gust, it looks like. It also looks like this wind pattern also blows more out here than the ones on the porch does, the Corinthian bells. Because you can see they're not really moving that much. But the ones out here are moving quite a bit more. So this wind pattern must be like that other one where this half of the yard gets more wind than that half over there, and the bells of paradise. Well, actually, I think what wind pattern does is the bells of paradise gets quite a bit of wind, and the ones back here do, but not the ones on the porch, on the back porch. I think that's what this wind pattern does. I think the ones on the porch are getting the least, and then the bells of paradise are what's next, and then these are getting the most wind right here. So the porch is in last place. The bells of paradise is in second place, and up here is in first. Well, actually, the Westminster is in first place right now because it's getting the most wind, but out here is definitely in second place. This one's also getting a little more wind than normal. You probably can hear it. Well, I think I'm gonna end the video here. It looks like the wind's calmed down quite a bit. Bye.